Hi everybody, and welcome back to Sticks and Stones Woodcarving. I'm going to start making pumpkin designs for us for Halloween. It's the second day of October. Last video we gave you 4 different pumpkin faces. Let's come up with another one here, and we'll go one at a time and just make one design. At least a day we'll try to get on for Halloween. Alright, and then we'll try, of course, carve a couple out and see what goes on. Maybe we can have a bunch of them by the time Halloween comes and have a bunch of different characters to work with. So, we're coming to the paper here. It's kind of windy and nasty out today, so we might as well draw. So let's do pumpkin 1 of this series, and we'll try to come up with a decent face. Then we're going to start by making a nose. Just like that. We're going to make a simple nose like we would on any wood spirit. Okay, we'll give them a line there and a line there. And we'll try to make these guys pretty interesting and different than most average jack-o'-lanterns that we could do, to make them have a little bit more appeal and hopefully give them some saleability. We're going to draw a little mouth like that. Give them a tooth here. Another tooth. Let's see. Let's start about here, and we'll come down like this on a slope. I'm going to try and make a tongue here. I should have made that a little rounder, I guess, but that's going to be a tongue. Okay. Put a line there in the center. I can always change that up a little later on. I am using a marker, but I'll just draw to make it a little bigger if I don't like it. Underneath, draw another line like that, attach it to the top. And right under the tongue here, or along that line, we're going to darken it in so you can see that that is his mouth. Something like that. Just trying to figure out this tongue here the way I want to do it. Hold on a sec. Let's come up to here for a second. Just draw a slope up like that, a slope like that, and we'll figure out about what we want to do with the eyes here on this guy. I'm going to hook a line down like that. Come across and attach it, and just kind of shade that in a little bit heavy. We'll make this eye on this side closed. Okay. Now let's give him a bag. And we'll attach it. A line like that. Let's make this eye a little bit different. We'll open this one up. Now he's got one closed eye and one open eye. Do an eyelid. Come down. About up to there, and we'll put a line there and close that eye in some. I'm going to give him a big old eyeball and a little iris. Now this is just going to be one pumpkin. I'm going to do, like I said, try to get at least 1 a day in. We did 4 in the last video. So we're a little ahead. It's October 2nd as I make this video. Should have plenty of ideas here already for a bunch of these guys. Let's darken this up here. And I'm going to make a small ebook on just pumpkin faces for Halloween, and I'll put that in the link when it's finished, once I get enough designs. And you guys are welcome to go in and download that if you like. Always check my Amazon storefront and the links. And any ebooks or designs that I make that I publish, I'll make sure to get in the store. Let's put a little line in the center there and character lines. I'm still not liking that mouth, but let's see. Let's give him a little chin. And maybe a bottom line there to insinuate about where we're gonna stop him. Okay, let's make this tongue a little bit thicker because he looks a little too pointy for me. And again, once we paint these guys up and we carve them out, we could really make them look neat. At the top here, we got to finish them off with another tooth, of course. I do jump around when I'm drawing, sorry about that. Once I went down there, I realized it. Alright, let's give him his pumpkin shape. And again, you don't have to do the one I'm doing. Come up to here and put a line here. Over here, we'll bring one down. And of course, give him some character lines under his eyes. Okay, we'll finish his pumpkin shape. A couple of lines on his lip for wrinkles. Anything that's going to make him look more interesting. And we'll give him a stem. Don't know if we want to put leaves around him or not. What do you think? I guess we could do just little lines here to insinuate he's a pumpkin. You don't really have to draw these on your design. We would carve those in before we actually did the face, I guess. But these are going to be quick one-shot videos I'm going to make for Halloween. And hopefully come up with a bunch of ideas, and we'll get the chainsaw out and we'll make a bunch of these guys. Or at least a few to give you the idea of how to do one. And you can take any of the faces that we draw and apply them to your Halloween projects. It's not going to be all pumpkins for Halloween, but we're definitely going to do at least one drawing a day. And if I miss a day or two, you know, I'll do another drawing video with a few examples for you. But this is going to be number 1. Okay. And we have ourselves a nice little pumpkin design for the first one. And he's got a tongue sticking out, and that should be a nice little fun project that we can carve if we like. Unless we come up with some other ones that are really fun that we want to do. And we'll pick and choose as we go, and we'll make a pumpkin or two. And paint them and see how many we can come up with for Halloween. So, there's our first guy, our first pumpkin. And we'll see how many we can come up with, like I said, and we'll mix and match everything. And do a bunch of Halloween projects this year. And hopefully we can sell some of them. So, save your patterns, your papers. Again, I'll put an ebook together. And join me for number 2 in the next video. That's our first one. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. As usual, thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.